Sangeeta.
My name is Sayyid Azhar. My name is Dinesh Gangadharan, and I'm taking care of this entire IT over Hive.
So we are a premium flexible workspace catering to freelancers, startups, large enterprise offices, and we provide workspaces on rental basis, which includes a lot of community and integrated ecosystem within the workspace. Major challenges we faced before onboarding on this platform was the communication between the teams that handle the operations at the Hive at all locations. Also, the communication between all the cities was a kind of a challenge. Secondly, I feel the major challenge was to reach out to the customers, and even the customers to reach out to us when there are issues that are to be raised, or if there are events or any notifications that are to be passed to the client. We were using a software for a couple of years, kind of a Hive app, but the major challenge was to stay in tune with the team that was helping us with, basically software managers. It was very difficult for us to stay in touch with them and get any work done, which if we had any issues or any software related problems, they wouldn't get really resolved soon. So I think we used to lose a lot of time. And secondly, the software itself had a lot of problems, hence we did have really bad experiences with the clients when they were using the app. So we thought of moving out of it. So we got a good team with TheOfficeMonk, where we could reach out to them for any sort of assistance while building the app. And also, secondly, the physical help that we got when the Lakshmi and Mansi came to the centers to train everybody. I think it made the process of onboarding really very easy.
Yeah, so we can easily track all the escalations from clients and our internal teams also. So that is good to see on a single dashboard. The gatekeeper can get the hands-on experience how to use this app. It will be very much helpful for them because it will reduce their work task. That every time they need to open the register and any of the vehicle or visitor, they have to enter it. I think so with this app it will be much more helpful. Their day-to-day activity will be reduced and even they will enjoy it.
I think the ease in the operations is what we see has become really well for us, because we felt communicating with clients became really easy and smooth. And secondly, even having a report of all the issues or all the facilities that were used, I think the analytics and stats really helped us. Their smooth platform that we have, and which is very easy for any person to get onboarded and to use it very easily and smoothly. I think that, and secondly, as I mentioned, the training that we got in our centers, in our locations, by the TheOfficeMonk team, I think that was really good. Yes, definitely. If they really wish to expand their business and have communication plus analytics in place about everything that happens in their offices, I think it's the best platform to be on. And also to get actually even more innovative with the facilities that they have, I think it will get easier if they have a platform like TheOfficeMonk to be onboarded.